Welcome to AI Chronicles, your gateway to the evolving world of artificial intelligence. In today's episode, AI in the real-world innovation and its unseen risks, we delve deep into a series of real-life stories that highlight the incredible potential and the unforeseen challenges of AI and robotics. Welcome to a journey where the lines between science fiction and reality blur. Today we dive into a world where robots don't just exist in movies, but are part of our daily lives. Have you ever wondered how close we are to living in a world reminiscent of our favorite sci-fi films? From the bustling factory floors of Tesla's Gigafactory to a high-stakes chess tournament in Moscow, we're uncovering stories that seem straight out of a Hollywood script. But there's more than meets the eye. In this episode, we dissect not one, but three eyebrow-raising incidents involving AI and robotics. Did a robot really injure an engineer in Austin, Texas? Can a chess-playing robot make a mistake that impacts a young prodigy? And what about the tragic event in South Korea, where AI couldn't differentiate between a human and a box of vegetables? Join us as we peel back the layers of these stories, delving into the complex world of AI and machine learning. We're not just sharing news, we're exploring the intricate dance between technological advancement and ethical challenges. This isn't about spreading fear or conspiracy theories. It's about understanding the balance, the harmony and the discord between humans and machines. Are we stepping into an apocalyptic scenario, or is this a new era of technological wonder? Your thoughts matter to us, so watch closely, think deeply, and join the conversation. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more content that challenges your perception of technology and its impact on our world. Stay tuned for an episode that promises to be as enlightening as it is thrilling. First, we'll take you inside Tesla's Gigafactory in Austin, Texas, where a routine day turned alarming due to an unexpected interaction between a human engineer and a robotic arm. What really happened in this high-tech production facility? Was it a simple malfunction or something more? Next, we'll travel halfway across the world to a South Korean factory where a tragic event unfolded. A worker, engaged in his regular duties, experienced the unthinkable due to an AI-driven robotic error. This incident raises crucial questions about the safety and reliability of AI in industrial settings. Finally, we'll delve into a seemingly innocuous setting, a chess tournament in Moscow, where a young prodigy's encounter with a chess-playing robot took an unexpected turn. This incident might not have the gravity of industrial accidents, but it speaks volumes about the unforeseen consequences of AI in our everyday lives. Through these stories, we aim to shed light on the complexities and challenges of integrating AI into our world. These aren't just tales of technology, they're stories about us, our safety, our future, and the ethical boundaries we navigate as we embrace the AI revolution. So stay with us as we unravel the intricate tapestry of AI's impact on humanity. And remember, your perspective is vital in this conversation, so feel free to share your thoughts as we journey through these remarkable stories. As we venture into our first story, let's set the scene at Tesla's Gigafactory in Austin, Texas. Imagine a sprawling hub of innovation where cutting-edge robots work alongside human engineers to create some of the most advanced electric vehicles in the world. But amidst this harmony of human and machine, an incident in 2021 raises questions about the intersection of safety and technology. Here's what we know. An engineer immersed in his routine encounters an unexpected situation. A robotic arm, usually a model of efficiency and precision, behaves unpredictably, resulting in injury to the engineer's hand. This moment, a blend of human error and technological malfunction, sparks a complex debate. Elon Musk, the visionary behind Tesla, responded with frustration to the media's coverage of this event. He emphasized the mundane nature of the incident, a routine hazard in any industrial setting. Yet, the timing of this event, coinciding with the unveiling of Tesla's Optimus Gen 2 robot, adds layers of intrigue and speculation. Let's dissect this further. Was this incident a mere malfunction, or does it signify a deeper issue in the realm of AI and robotics? To understand this, we need to delve into the nature of industrial robots. Unlike the humanoid Optimus, These factory robots are designed for specific, repetitive tasks. They operate within defined parameters, lacking the autonomy or decision-making capabilities we associate with more advanced AI. Moving deeper into the analysis, it's crucial to differentiate between a robot malfunctioning and taking a voluntary action. The term voluntary implies a level of consciousness and decision-making ability that current AI simply does not possess. Today's industrial robots, like the one in Tesla's Gigafactory, follow pre-programmed routines. They react to their environment based on sensors and algorithms, not conscious thought. So what happened in this incident? It appears to be a case of human oversight and mechanical error. The engineer, possibly unaware of the robot's operational status, found himself in harm's way. This scenario is not uncommon in factories worldwide, where the blend of human workers and machines often leads to accidents, sometimes with fatal consequences. However, this incident does shine a light on the challenges of designing AI and robotic systems for industrial environments. Ensuring safety in these settings requires not just robust mechanical design, but also advanced programming that can anticipate and prevent potential human-robot conflicts. It's a delicate balance between efficiency and safety, one that requires constant refinement as technology evolves. Furthermore, this story prompts us to consider the ethical and practical implications of integrating more autonomous robots, like Tesla's Optimus, into industrial and public spaces. How do we ensure safety and reliability when robots step out of their tightly controlled routines and start interacting more dynamically with the world around them? It's a question that takes us to the very edge of our current technological capabilities and into the realm of future possibilities. Our journey takes us next to South Korea, where a factory becomes the stage for a poignant reminder of the risks associated with automation. In November 2023, a routine day at a grocery handling facility turns tragic. A worker, tasked with overseeing the efficient operation of a robotic arm designed for moving and stacking boxes, becomes the victim of a fatal accident. The robot, programmed to identify and manipulate boxes, tragically misidentifies the worker as part of its cargo. The consequences are immediate and dire. The worker is crushed against a conveyor belt, sustaining injuries that, despite swift medical attention, prove fatal. This incident raises a host of questions about the safety protocols and sensory capabilities of automated systems in industrial environments. As we delve into the details of this tragedy, we are forced to confront the limitations of current AI technology. How could a sophisticated robotic system fail to distinguish between a human being and an inanimate object? This question takes us into the heart of AI's current capabilities and its significant limitations in understanding and interpreting the complexities of real-world environments. The South Korean factory incident underscores a critical challenge in AI development: contextual understanding. Despite significant advances in AI and robotics, these systems often lack the nuanced perception and judgment that humans take for granted. In this case, the robot's sensors, designed to detect boxes, tragically fail to recognize the presence of a human. This incident brings to light the importance of designing AI systems that are not only efficient, but also safe and aware of their surroundings. It highlights the need for robust safety protocols, advanced sensory systems, and fail-safes that can prevent such tragedies. The development of AI algorithms capable of nuanced recognition and contextual decision-making is not just a technological goal, but a moral imperative. Furthermore, this tragedy sparks a discussion on the ethical responsibilities of companies and engineers in deploying AI systems. How can we ensure that the rush to automate does not overlook the critical aspects of safety and human-centric design? The balance between efficiency and safety becomes a key consideration, especially in industries where human interaction with automated systems is frequent. As we reflect on this incident, it's clear that AI, while a powerful tool for innovation and productivity, still requires careful oversight and continual improvement. The path to achieving safer, more discerning AI is complex and fraught with challenges, but it is a journey that we must undertake with both caution and commitment to innovation. Our narrative now shifts to a seemingly more benign setting, a chess tournament in Moscow. Here, the interplay between AI and human ingenuity takes a dramatic turn. Picture a room filled with the intensity and concentration of chess players, young and old, each deeply engaged in the timeless game of strategy. In this setting, a unique participant stands out, an AI-controlled robotic arm designed to challenge human opponents. During the tournament, an incident occurs that captures global attention. A young chess prodigy, Christopher, only 7 years old and already a formidable player, experiences a startling interaction with the robotic opponent. In a swift turn of events as the boy makes his move, the robot, programmed for rapid chess play, mistakenly clamps onto his hand. This incident, while not life-threatening, raises significant concerns. The robot, designed to interact safely with humans in a high-pressure, fast-paced environment, fails to properly respond to the child's quick movements. The swift intervention of onlookers prevents serious injury, but the questions raised linger in the air. How did this advanced AI-driven robot, a marvel of modern engineering, misinterpret a child's action during a game? The chess tournament incident in Moscow serves as a microcosm for the broader challenges of AI and robotics when integrated into public and diverse settings. Unlike the industrial environments of our previous stories, this incident occurs in a space where people, especially children, interact closely with AI-driven machines. The incident raises crucial questions about the safety measures and sensory detection capabilities of AI robots. In a setting like a chess tournament, where the interaction between human and machine is intimate and continuous, the margin for error is minimal. The robotic arm's failure to distinguish between the chess piece and the child's hand illustrates a significant gap in its programming and sensory capabilities. This event also highlights the need for enhanced safety protocols, especially in AI applications accessible to the public. The incident with Christopher prompts us to consider how AI-driven machines can be designed to be more aware of and responsive to the unpredictability of human behavior. It underscores the importance of incorporating fail-safes and emergency stop mechanisms that can quickly respond to unforeseen situations. Moreover, the Moscow chess tournament incident opens up a conversation about the responsibility of AI developers and operators in ensuring the safety of their creations, particularly in environments frequented by children. It becomes a case study in the necessity of balancing AI's capabilities with the paramount importance of human safety. As we conclude this section, we reflect on the lessons learned from this incident. It stands as a reminder of the continuous need for vigilance, improvement, and ethical consideration in the development and deployment of AI technologies, especially in settings where they interact closely with the public. As we reach the end of today's enlightening journey on AI Chronicles, we're left to ponder the delicate balance between the promise of AI and the responsibilities it entails. Our exploration through these incidents reveals not just the potential of artificial intelligence, but also its complexity and unpredictability in the real world. Today's stories from Tesla's Gigafactory, the South Korean factory tragedy, and the chess tournament in Moscow serve as vital lessons. They remind us that as we stride forward in this age of innovation, our steps must be cautious and informed. In our quest to harness the power of AI, let us not forget the importance of safety, ethics, and the human element. The future of AI is a tapestry we are weaving today, thread by thread, decision by decision. Thank you for joining us on AI Chronicles. We hope these stories have sparked your curiosity and inspired thoughtful reflection on the role of AI in our lives. Stay tuned for more episodes where we continue to unravel the mysteries and marvels of artificial intelligence. Your engagement is what drives us to delve deeper into the intricate world of artificial intelligence. If you found today's episode insightful and thought-provoking, we invite you to join our growing community. By subscribing to AI Chronicles, you'll be the first to discover our latest episodes. Your likes help us understand what resonates with you, guiding us to bring more content that matters. And if you believe in spreading knowledge and sparking discussions about AI, sharing this episode with friends, family, and colleagues is a powerful way to do so. Thank you for being with us today on AI Chronicles. Until our next episode, keep exploring, keep questioning, and let's unravel the mysteries of AI together. Stay curious,